Welcome everybody to our SMCI update. Remember guys, our video is just for education purposes and we don't provide any financial advice, and nothing shown here is guarantee for profit or investment results. So let's get right to it and discuss SMCI. We have major news regarding resuming production for AI chips to China, and this is really good reason that we have finally broke the resistance and we went up really good, almost 8% compared to the rest of the market, which is a bit red. As you can see here, guys, we have the 54 test a new high getting near the 57, and AMD the same. We have a huge jump, 7%. Nvidia the same. So many of semiconductors doing fantastically good, and Nvidia of course almost 200 million worth of volume, and SMCI almost 50 million worth of volume. So in today's video guys, we have to discuss where the price will go. And last time, if you remember guys, we discussed the price once it hit the 46. We said there's an accumulation phase here, and as long as we hold this, we're gonna have a breakout. You see what happened here? We have this breakout from this flag, and we've got nice test, and then we have the news for today and the price jump. Last time we have the updated level for SMCI. We did it on our Discord guys. If you remember, we always watch for mini update, and we do many update for SMCI. Last time we discussed SMCI, we did it here for our hunters. We discussed Microsoft. We discussed last time, we actually discussed was Delta Air before the earnings, because right now we have the earnings season, and we discussed SMCI before or around the $50 resistant break. And of course guys, the link in the comment section below if you want to join our hunter channel on Discord and Patreon. In the meantime, where the price will go and what we should do from now, because last time we did update for SMCI was last week, and as you can see here, the last jump that we did for SMCI was there after the earnings. We have a huge jump, we have accumulation, consolidation, jump, consolidation down, and another jump. So now the price is getting near a pretty nice critical zone that we might test around the 58 guys. So the 58 is the level that we have to watch out for next time for SMCI. For the next few days we might have this test and go there. In the meantime, we have to watch out for those two levels of support, because we might pull back to kind of have a correction. The first one, for my opinion, here around this gap, the $50.60 that we might test, and the second one is the 48. This is normal guys if we have a pullback, but the best case scenario, for my opinion, from now on, is better to have a hold up over this support, the 52.39. I'm not saying if we broke the 52.39 is really bad. No, just a sign of strength if SMCI hold the first level around the 52.39 and then go to the 58, because today we did almost 8% and we expect another 8%. Imagine another 8% from now. So it's not made it up guys, just from the technical. We might do another 8% like we did for today, and of course go to the major resistance for this year around the $58. We're gonna discuss SMCI in depth. This is a really very quick update guys, because we have this major change in the price action. Many traders, many investors talking about Nvidia, and of course about this news. We have more confident for Nvidia to go up, and its buy went up because of that, because if all the semiconductors doing fantastically good, go to all-time high. AMD is a bit undervalued right now, for my opinion, compared to Nvidia, and of course SMCI. Even SMCI look a bit undervalued, because last time we were over the 100. So Nvidia is the top with Palantir, of course. But as you can see here, guys, the SPY going to all-time high over the 600 once again, because of semiconductors doing fantastically good, and the change in the fundamental actually give us this jump. We're going to discuss SMCI in depth by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open, or 3 p.m. CET before the market open here on YouTube, and before that on our Discord and Patreon. Don't forget, guys, the earnings season is started. And next week we're gonna have many updated level for those blue chip company for the reversal support, or if we have a jump, we might be ready for taking profit around those levels. So be careful, guys. We're going to do major updates for them on our Discord and Patreon. The link comes section below. In the meantime, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And thank you for the support, and see you by tomorrow.